वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी का कहना है कि हमें इमारतों की तामीर में मयार को तरजीह देना होगी। लाहौर में IAPEX कॉन्फ्रेंस की इफ्तिताही तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म का कहना था।
Architecture reflects a lifestyle, and my own experience, I worked in this business for a few years, and my own experience has been that the cost difference between a quality building and a substandard building is very, very minimal. And over the life cycle, the quality building always wins out. And I say this with some authority that it is difficult to find a quality building in Pakistan, unfortunately.
इमारतों की तामीर में मयार को तरजीह देने के हवाले से बात करते हुए शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने कहा,
I think it is a question of the availability of materials, the quality of construction, the practices of the artisans, and more than that, the project supervision, and perhaps lack of attention by the architects. So I think we need to take pride in our work. We need to make sure that every building we have is a quality building, and it's, at the end of the day, it's a matter of attention to detail. And that is what an architect is supposed to do. That is the primary job of an architect, to give attention to detail, to create a building that we can all be proud of. So there's a serious challenge for the architects here, and I hope that the IAP will lead the way in meeting the challenge, and Pakistan can also develop buildings that our future generations can be proud of. So thank you very much.
IAPEX 2018 की कामयाबी के लिए नेक ख्वाहिशात का इजहार करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा,
And I wish you the best of success with the IAPEX 2018, and I hope that this will expand into a much larger venture in the future. But more than that, I hope that the IAP will lead the way to quality and architecturally pleasing buildings in the future. Thank you very much.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क, हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।